podcast with Nikki Jindal. And I want to introduce Nikki first before we start anything. So, Nikki is a certified life coach, trauma healer, and she has an immense knowledge about inner child healing, past life regression, and she's a master in NLP and master Gestalt practitioner who has an immense knowledge about numerology and astrology as well. And today, me, Payal, are going to introduce Nikki to our show called What's Your Problem? And welcome, Nikki.
Hi, Asta.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. Whoever is listening to me, hello to all.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. I'm fine. Thanks for having me here, Asta. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikki. So, Nikki, let's start with how did you get into all of this? Like, this is so much of achievement that you have, so much of learning, so much of skills that you have. How did the journey started? What was the turning point, or you can say, what was your problem that started with all this?
So there was no problem as such, numbers तो मुझे पहले से ही बहुत पसंद थे. When I was in Dubai, I used to always have numbers like 444, 111, used to always attract me. तो
Yeah.
मुझे हमेशा से लगता था कुछ ना कुछ कनेक्शन है. मेरा मोबाइल नंबर भी 1111 था. और जब मैं नंबर्स देखती थी तो मुझे बड़ा फैसिनेट, मुझे लगता था कुछ तो भी कॉम्बिनेशन है. I always knew that I'm 4 and I'm attracted to this, number 4. Because
Yeah.
I am number 4. So हर
Yeah.
एक चीज में, even if you see my mobile number, which ends up with 4444 only. So yeah, numbers का तो ऐसे था कि मुझे बचपन से पसंद थे. But I started this journey 7 years back when I lost my mom-in-law. There
Okay.
was a time when I wanted to heal in India, especially because I lived in Dubai all my life and I got married and came here. So जब
Mhm.
मैं यहाँ आई and I lost my parents when I was 2. तो उसके बाद से कभी भी मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि मुझे फैमिली फैमिली मिली. सो आफ्टर आई गॉट मैरिड आई वाज वेरी अटैच्ड टू माय मदर इन लॉ एंड शी पास्ड अवे. So that was the time when I wanted to heal. It was the biggest trauma of my life, at that point. I was not able to grieve properly because it was a sudden death. So that's when I started healing. When I started healing and when I started doing these courses one by one, I realized that we all have the power within. We
Hmm.
all can heal. And it's so empowering that everything changes with the thought, with the belief, the kind of things that I went through. So when I was healing, I went through lot of process. It was so like touching. I felt within, completed. एक जो chapter था ना, there was a void, there was grief, there was so many emotions which I can't describe. So I felt like there was a time where I started thinking differently. I started believing different stuff, and that changed the entire thing. So I thought when I can change and come out from that kind of a traumatic thing, so people also deserve one chance. And I said I will also do this uh, for mankind, and I also want to help many people. So that's how I started my journey.
Yeah. So there was a time where you also went to some kind of therapist or some kind of a therapy, or just randomly started with, one of the
So
courses,
I started with pranic healing.
pranic healing.
And yeah, I started with pranic healing. Then I went for NLP
Okay.
practitioners, and Anil Thomas was my, yeah,
Oh,
Anil Thomas,
yeah.
the one who I liked. Yeah.
He's coming up in our lot of podcasts. We'll send him to send him also that he's coming up lot.
He actually changed my life. The NLP did change my life, because when I went to him, I remember telling him, 6 years back, and I want to be a life coach. And he had that smile on face. He's like, yeah, you can be anything you want.
Yeah.
So yeah, that changed a lot of things. Then after NLP, I have done my Gestalt, and I have done my NLP masters as well. Then I went for inner child healing, which made me believe of my, there was a part in me where needed a lot of healing because my childhood, the way I went through a lot of situations because I had no parents. So there was a belief system which I had. So that shifted and a lot of things, moved. So yeah.
So how did you, after all this healing, how did you come to numerology and astrology? if you want to.
Yeah, so as I said, numbers were always like, if you see, even in Dubai, my number was 1111. I ended with the 4, and here also when I came, this number is really old one. 15 years back, I got this numbers like ending up with 4444. So I always believed in angel numbers, and somehow got
Yeah.
me attracted. And that's when I started seeing the videos. I'm like, okay, where is my master number? Where is my my angel number? And that's how I started watching the videos, and then I have done my course from Delhi from Rahul sir. So he's really excellent. I have done my numerology basic, my business numerology, where we see a lot of. So numerology is not about what you are today, what you can become tomorrow. So
Okay.
we give little remedies, like if someone comes up to me and says, yaar meri shaadi nahi ho rahi hai, ya mere bachcha nahi ho raha hai. So there are planets, there are numbers and planets, it has energy. So everything has energy, I believe.
Yeah.
हमारे प्लैनेट्स जो भी होते हैं, जैसे कि मून खराब है, किसी का ये खराब है, किसी का, तो वी ओनली गिव रेमेडीज, एंड देन इफ यू आर डोनेटिंग something, or if you are doing something, there is no return, it will definitely, the universe, it's a law of universe also, no, whatever you give you get back. So what are you looking for?
Yeah. It's
So
we can say that it's kind of like manifestation and affirmations, but in a formative of actions, I feel.
oh, yes, exactly. Because there you're actually, doing something for someone who's not even going to give you in a return, like आप animals को दे रहे हो, गाय को दे रहे हो, या फिर कुत्ते को खिला रहे हो, कौन सा planet, और हर एक चीज अलाइंड है एक दूसरे से, मतलब हर एक चीज जुड़ी हुई है एक दूसरे से. अगर आप मून का करना चाहते हो तो आप अपनी मॉम से अच्छे से बात करोगे. अगर आप सन का कर रहे हो तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप यू हैव विद योर फादर. तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल जॉइंट. सो जब मेरे पास कोई क्लाइंट आता है, न्यूमरोलॉजी के ज्यादा आता है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वांट्स क्विक फिक्स.
Yeah.
हमारा ये कर दो, ये कर दो, ये कर दो. नोबडी वांट्स टू know that what is the mental health या इमोशनल हेल्थ पे क्या हो रहा है. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उनको लगता है ये रेमेडीज दो, क्विक फिक्स करो, चलो जाओ. So
Yeah.
then I have that kind of opportunity when I see them, struggling. कि चलो मैंने रेमेडी दे दी, फिर भी तो ही स्ट्रगलिंग ओनली ना. So
Huh.
what is it? There is a belief system. There is something that he needs to work on. So sometimes clients, they do listen to me and they work on themselves. Like I run abundance courses and I run other kind of workshops also. So
Yeah.
when they come one on one, they are more comfortable. They come to me. I have an office in Mumbai. So yeah, I try to tell them, but it's very difficult in India to make them understand what is the importance of mental and emotional health.
Yeah.
All they want is everything to be fixed, with the
Quickly.
puja,
Yeah.
with the bracelets. And of course, ये जो bracelets होते हैं, वो वर्क करते हैं आस्था. जैसे मैंने आपको भी दिया था न्यूमरोलॉजी
Work
में,
करते हैं.
हाँ,
Yeah,
ऐसे
I'm
ही.
showing my bracelets because it's an audio podcast. I have to describe and say that I'm showing my bracelets. I'm wearing it right now.
But the thing is कि और मुझे भी पता है कि ये काम करते हैं, because मैंने भी किया है. मैंने खुद का नाम चेंज किया. नाम चेंज भी काम करता है.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
you change an alphabet in your name that.
या बिकॉज उससे क्या होता है, जैसे आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज अपना नाम चेंज कर रहे हैं. हाउ एंड व्हाट इज वर्किंग फॉर देम. आयुष्मान खुराना ने कर दिया, ऋतिक रोशन का डबल एच आ गया, अजय
Yeah.
देवगन ने कर दिया, आलिया भट्ट का कुछ और नाम था, उसने अपना नाम आलिया कर दिया. सो दैट आई एम सेइंग कि आलिया भट्ट ने अपने बच्चे को भी, अपनी बेटी को भी 15 तारीख को ही पैदा कराया. बिकॉज 1 and 5 is the most powerful number in numerology.
1 and 5. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 15. So 1 is the planet Sun and 5 is Mercury, which gives
Yeah.
you, and both if you calculate becomes number 6. So one of the most powerful number 6 is Venus, luxury. Who knows better than you? You are 6, Asta.
Yeah, I'm 6. Payal is 28. I'm 6. You are 4.
Yeah, so 28 फालतू में litigations में पड़ जाते हैं बेचारे. Payal, correct me if I'm wrong.
Litigations as in how?
As in, you do so much for others because it's an anti number, 2 and 8. So you do so much for others that at the end of the day, you will only be blamed that way. For the small litigation, in the sense, I don't know if it's happening to you.
So far, yeah. So far,
Yeah.
nothing has happened. Yeah. Touch wood.
Good for you then.
So her belief system might be working in a way that that's protecting her so much.
Yeah, but do you feel sensitive, Payal?
I used to, but I learned to overcome that. Like, कौन सी situations में sensitive होना चाहिए. I was overly sensitive on everything.
Yeah, exactly, because I can see it in your numbers, But 8 still gives you a very logical thinking. So you will come out of it. But at the end of the day, you will feel sensitive for a lot of things, So
Yeah.
that's why the numbers, are very powerful. So litigation in the sense, मैं हमेशा नहीं बोलती हूँ, they get into a trouble because there are anti numbers. 2 is moon and 8 is शनि. So वो एक तुम्हें बहुत creative, चंचल और बहुत ज्यादा एंटरटेनिंग बनाता है. दूसरा तुम्हें लॉजिक थिंकिंग देता है कि इज देयर व्हाटएवर आई एम डूइंग कोई लॉजिक है कि नहीं है. वो स्लो कर देता है और एक तुम्हें बहुत फास्ट कर देता है. तो देयर मस्ट बी अ डुअल थिंग. पर्सनालिटी ना कभी कभी क्लैश कर जाती है. एक साइड कि ये यहाँ पे अच्छा होना है और एक साइड यू गेट वेरी सेंसिटिव.
Right.
So you explain how number works, you explain how numerology works, but what happens, that kind of remedies that you were talking about that you give out to people, that pranic healing also you use in giving out numbers and everything, what happened before 7 years? Like, I want to ask you about how was your past things then when you came to India, what was your struggle in India from Dubai, anything and everything that you want to talk about.
Yeah. I mean, that was a struggle for me because मुझे नहीं आना था यहाँ पे. Dubai was my life, I lived there all my life. So I never wanted to come here. And we never had any plan to come here. तो मैंने बहुत struggle किया, to find friends and to find connection,
Yeah.
I really struggled, I didn't know who to trust. The kind of socializing in Dubai was completely different. In India, people gossip and they just have some agenda, when they come and talk to you. So that was very different here. And I used to trust people very easily. I had no clue, they'll be making some different stories behind my back. So it was a lot of things which I've learned when I came here as a individual. I used to not go out. I used to feel, oh, ये वाला कोक में पानी मिला दिया है कोई, I don't know कौन सा वाला क्या है, दवाई नहीं मुझे अच्छी लगती थी. I had never liked food here. मुझे ऐसा लगता था दूध में पता नहीं क्या मिलाते हैं, कैसे मैं ये पीऊंगी. It was it went on for 1.5 years until I was in peace with my own self that yes, I was mentally prepared कि हाँ अब मुझे यहीं रहना है. Because by the time I got pregnant, so there was a story behind that also because it came back to back,
Tell me.
I did not plan my kids so early, but it happened, and then I went ahead with that. So that also created a lot of self doubt in me because I had put on weight as a mother. It was going on. Plus, I was not liking the country. So yes, there was a lot of things which I had to go through. So फिर ये होते that's when I realized I needed a break. I wanted to do something. So when my kids grew up little, I started doing all these things, and that gave me a different kind of a thing in my head that yes, things could be in other way around as well. Not only the way I see it.
Yeah. How did you take the cultural shift also? There is a huge cultural shift from Dubai.
Yeah, it was not found it very difficult though because more than culture, it was people. There people had no interference in your life. They were doing what they wanted. I just had to say hello to my neighbor and they'll be like, hi, I will send you a Christmas cake and everything. Here, everyone is so much interested in my life, what's happening if I'm going for where I'm going, if I'm traveling, and what I have, what I don't have, which bag I carry, everything matters to them. So yeah, it was a big thing. Earlier I had no clue people could be like this, but slowly I understood. I started understanding. It gave me a lot of traumas, little traumas, and I believe in my own head. When I started healing, that's when I realized, oh, that created this created that. So yeah, it was not my voices which I was hearing. I was hearing many voices, you know.
Yeah.
If it was my in-laws or my neighbors or my friends who were just there for benefit, I don't know the agenda kya tha, but yeah, I learned many lessons.
What happened during the pregnancy? Like you were saying something about like pregnancy changed a lot of things in your life.
Yeah, so because being being a Sindhi, I was missing my family back in Dubai, and here it was a culturally that change because Gujarati khana मुझे नहीं पसंद आता था. वो मीठा खाना, and you know how it is when you get pregnant, you get so particular about lot of things. मैं बहुत मिस करती थी अपनी फैमिली को, अपनी चीजों को, but then I was so happy that I had my mother-in-law. She really was there throughout, so that was the biggest help. Staying in India only made me feel comfortable because of my husband's family. तो वो मुझे बहुत ध्यान रखती थी. So that was the only thing that I was enjoying. वरना तो ना खाना अच्छा लग रहा था, ना रोड्स अच्छे लग रहे थे, ना गाड़ियां अच्छी लग रही थी. कुछ नहीं अच्छा लग रहा था. But then slowly, I think I started accepting things the way it was. Not that it was not about the luxury; it was about the things. Not that I was driving good cars here और यहाँ पे नहीं थी, मगर roads वैसी नहीं थी. तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा difficult था, but yeah, ठीक है, थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे with the time, I.
And how was parenting here? Like kind of an idea about what is parenting to you and how parenting works. Like we
It's
have no idea.
if you're living with your in-laws now, parenting is very different, and it could be like people really interfere, and I want to tell all of them, please take a break, let me be the mother, because I am the mother. At the end of the day, good or bad, हर mother बहुत अच्छी होती है, और वो उसको पता होता है कि वो क्या कर रही है अपने बच्चों के लिए. Now they've had their own kids, उन्होंने बड़ा कर दिया अपने बच्चों को, but they'll be always saying इसको हनी चटा दो, इसको ये कर दो, इसका ये वाला लहसुन से सेक कर दो, इसको वो वाला. I don't know उनके टाइम में क्या चल रहा था, but I want to tell all of them, but please respect individual as a mother, because उसको पता है कि क्या है, क्या करना है. Even if she's new, she's figuring it out. वो खुद confused है as a new mother. तो
Yeah.
प्लीज उसको इतना सारा ज्ञान देके ना उतना ओवरफ्लो मत करिए. मतलब
Yeah.
वो नीचे कहाँ चला जाता है वो ज्ञान पता नहीं होता, बिकॉज शी कांट स्लीप. वो उसको बहुत 24/7 का जॉब मिल गया अचानक से. ठीक है, इट्स
Yeah.
नॉट इजी. नोबडी टेल्स यू नाउ यू बिकम अ मदर. इट्स लाइक अ साइन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. 24/7 you have to be dealing with this kind of and then there is no break. Okay.
Yeah.
Baby can poop and they can just do whatever they want. They can cry, they will be colic, they'll some or the other thing will keep happening. Yeah, so this is what I have to say about that, the post pregnancy thing.
Some of the struggles of our life, which is I wanted to touch upon every part of your life and see how different struggle that you have came out and you learn different things about your own life, and then now numerology is working at par with you and you are working as a numerologist most of the time. Like that's your main key, I feel.
Yeah, that's my main key, because I feel कि बहुत सारा चीजें चेंज हुई हैं. जब मैंने भी देखा कि मेरे नाम की स्पेलिंग जब मैंने खुद ने चेंज किया, I started earning. I was beautiful. I've done many courses. मैंने कुछ कमाया ही नहीं था कभी. मेरे को लगा कुछ तो भी है, और मुझे भी जब मैं कर रही थी ना आस्था, तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि यार ये क्या हो जाएगा, मैंने एक के हटा दिया तो like how does it matter, मेरे साथ में है. Because see again, you see now, as even you are a counselor, you are into this field. Belief system ही काम कर रहा है आस्था. बिलीफ सिस्टम ही काम कर रहा है, क्योंकि वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग डीप रूटेड बिलीव है कि क्यों मैं चेंज करूं मेरा ये, क्यों मैं ये के जाने दूं, बिकॉज ये हमारे साथ साथ वो अटैचमेंट हो गया है. सो सेम टाइम एज आई एम अ स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिशनर ऑल्सो. तो जब ये मॉम का हुआ ना, तो मैंने बहुत सारे स्पिरिचुअल उपदेश सारा ये सारे सेशंस लेना शुरू कर दिया, गीता सेशंस लेना शुरू कर दिया. दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि we are all bounded with karmic thing. कई चीजें हमारे साथ ही आई है और कई चीजें हमें नहीं पता है कि किससे मिलने वाले हैं, कौन आने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है, एंड वी कीप गेटिंग अटैच्ड टू एवरी इमोशन. सो इट इज ऑल स्पिरिचुअल इफ यू सी इट इन द अदर वे ऑल्सो. हमको गीता में सिखाया ही गया है. और हम अगर ये वेस्ट साइड में अगर हम ये हीलिंग काउंसलिंग ले लें तो फिर अगेन देयर इज अ बिलीफ सिस्टम, देयर इज दिस, देयर इज दैट, and there's affirmation and there's a gratitude. वो तो हम पहले से ही, अगर if you read your scriptures very well, it says, if you want to overcome any situation, be grateful, surrender. And what are we saying in the therapy is also surrender,
allow something to come inside you.
Yeah, exactly. If you don't allow and if you don't surrender and if you don't let go, this is what the Gita is also saying. If you don't let go, how will the new things come in your life? You're holding on to a lot of emotions and the things that did not work out for you, so you have to let it go. So the therapies and the illusions we create in our head. Yeah.
So how, I know this is a lot of practice that you have achieved also, and you indulge with not just numerology but also mental health awareness about how to contract both of them together. So how difficult do you face when people some people have different views about numerology, some people have different views about mental health. How do you combine both of them and do your session?
So I have a lot of people, as a religion purpose, they don't want to do numerology.
Yeah.
So in their religion it's not like, they don't believe in these kind of remedies and all. So I give them, I combine them, and I tell them, okay, if you don't believe in all of that, at least you believe in your own religion. The moment you go, you chant anything in their religion, or if they're Christian and if they're Muslims or if they're any other, Sikh, or they want to go to Gurdwara. So I tell them to always go for their higher energies. If they want to, because what is it? The negativity or the imaginary things are a lower vibration. So the moment you put yourself in a higher vibration, either it's namaz or either it's just prayer in the and like how they do it in the church. They also
Church masses. Church
so
masses.
yeah, चर्च मासेस. तो वो करना है या फिर कुछ और करना है, या फिर गुरुद्वारे जाके तुम्हें चीजें डोनेट करनी है, लंगर लगाना है, या कुछ भी करना है. Yeah, so I give them different kind of then mental exercises, and I work on their emotional being, and I see the core problem. Where is it? Either it's a relationship they get stuck on, or it's money, or it's their studies, or where are they feel actually, where is the वो जो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुए, वो कोर कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम, आई मेंट टू से.
How do you think relationship works in numerology? Like, so for example, I'll give you, if I am one number and another person is that different number, and we have a lot of clashes. How does that works through numerology? I'm very curious to know about it.
Yeah, so it works now. अगर आप 1 है and then you're standing with the 8, it won't work because these are anti numbers.
Okay.
1 सूर्य है. आपने कभी स्पिरिचुअल या मैथोलॉजी में सुना होगा कि सूर्य और शनि वो पिता और पुत्र हैं और they didn't get along. So
Yeah.
ऐसे करके अगर देयर आर कॉम्बिनेशंस 1 के साथ जो काम करता है, 6 बहुत अच्छा होता है 1 के साथ.
Yeah.
तो 6 बहुत अच्छा होता है. 7 also is decent with 1, but I'm just saying that कि वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपके कौन से नंबर्स हैं और आपका मास्टर नंबर क्या है, आपका यूनिवर्सल नंबर क्या है. It depends on everything. तो हम
Which
लोग
is also
काफी टाइम,
different than your date of birth, which is different. Yeah.
तो हम लोग काफी टाइम पे वो भी मैच करते हैं कि कौन से हॉरा में आपको काम करना चाहिए, कौन से में नहीं करना चाहिए. That way.
In relationship also you give things like this will work out long term, like how astrology works. They
Yeah. So
matches
see, numerology is based on number, but sometime even हम लोग जब पैदा होते हैं, the time of your birth and the place of your birth also has lot to do. तो astrology is vast. They go on the नक्षत्र में, आप कौन से नक्षत्र में पैदा हुए, कौन से नक्षत्र का क्या इम्पैक्ट है आपके ऊपर, यू नो.
Yeah.
अभी सबसे मेन नक्षत्र होता है रोहिणी नक्षत्र,
Rohini.
क्वीन ऑफ नक्षत्र, यू नो.
Okay.
जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, सारे प्लैनेट सन को राउंड करते हैं, नो. तो सन इज अ किंग, सो रोहिणी इज अ नक्षत्र की क्वीन. एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट मून. तो ये जो 27 नक्षत्र है मैथोलॉजी में, उनकी, या 27 नक्षत्र.
We don't know.
या आई एम जस्ट
But yeah, that's the point of podcast and everything, is to understand and introduce things that we don't know about.
या ट्रू.
How also this part of psychology, or you can say belief system, is work combination with different things. Like I
100%.
believe not just, so see, every person has different belief, and how we can heal that person from that belief. My point of view is actually that. So how astrology or numerology can heal a person when difficulty in healing.
तो यही तो बात है ना, आज तक घूम फिर के हम यहीं पे तो आ गए कि अगर उसका बिलीफ सिस्टम और द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट ही और शी सफर्ड फ्रॉम देयर चाइल्डहुड, यू नो, इट्स अ डिफरेंट जर्नी ईच टू ओन ना. हर किसी का अलग अलग जर्नी है. तो अगर कोई बहुत, इफ यू सी, कोई बहुत सुपरस्टिशियस होता है, हर चीज में बिलीव करता है, ये वाले एस्ट्रोलॉजी ने ये बोला, ये वाले दिन पे मैं ये करूंगा, वो वाले दिन पे मैं वो करूंगा, दे गेट इनटू टू मच ऑफ डिटेल, एंड दैट इज आल्सो नॉट गुड फॉर योर मेंटल हेल्थ. अगेन आई वुड से दैट. So
Yeah.
everything needs to be balanced in your life. You believe. Now today I've become now I'm doing numerology. I'll be doing Vastu consultant also soon. So not that everything now this can't be here. Now this you need to move it here. If you keep on doing that, you know, more than that, you need to just keep a balance in your life. You know, keep a very good emotional and mental health. I mean, आजकल ना सब लोग physical health पे ज़्यादा, चलो जिम चले जाओ और ठीक हो जाएगा. आई वाज शॉक्ड व्हेन आई हर्ड वन ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट एंड अक्षय कुमार इज सेइंग, किसी ने पूछा उनसे कि आप कैसे डील करते हो, यू नो, ये ब्रेकअप से.
Yeah.
तो आप सरप्राइज, उसने पता है क्या जवाब दिया है आस्था. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द हेल, ये क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमारी पब्लिक को. इज लाइक आप जिम चले जाओ,
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट. अरे जिम जाने से थोड़ी तुम्हारी मेंटल हेल्थ ठीक हो जाएगी. फॉर अ टाइम बीइंग यू विल, यू नो, फील दैट शिफ्ट. ओके, एनर्जी शिफ्ट हो गई तुम्हारी. ठीक है, तुम यहाँ से उठ के यहाँ चले गए, वो तो वैसे भी हो जाएगी यार. यहाँ से उठ के गार्डन चले जाओ.
Yeah.
वैसे भी यू कनेक्ट टू द नेचर, यू sit next to the beach, you'll be feeling different only. But what about later? तो तुम उसको तो एड्रेस करो ना. जस्ट बिकॉज दे वांट टू get away with their answers like this, you know, that is very confusing for other people. कि चलो breakup हो गया, gym जाओ. No, you need to feel your feelings until they are meant to be felt. You can't just you know, ignore everything. You can't Netflix your feeling, donut your feeling, you know,
Yeah.
shop your feeling. You can't do that.
Actually, what happens with people, I've seen that there is a lot of not understanding and saying, still old school people, they saying that mental health is not something you should put your time and effort in. You can do a lot of different works at that time when you're putting it into talking to somebody or understanding your feelings, understanding your emotion. वो time waste है. उससे बेटर है कि कोई काम कर लो, अपना पूरा दिमाग काम में लगा लो. तुमको ये फीलिंग्स आएंगी ही नहीं, या तुम मतलब वो रिलेशनशिप से बाहर निकल के अपने काम में फोकस कर लो. The idea of like a greatest singer or a greatest poet has come from after a breakup or after a heartbreak or something like that. They say ना कि बहुत बड़ा आर्टिस्ट बन जाता है कोई जब उसका दिल टूटता है.
पर फिर वो आर्टिस्ट बन के भी क्या करता है, वो वही मिस्टेक दोबारा से करता है until and unless he heals or she heals, you know. So
Yeah.
you will keep on attracting the similar person.
Yeah.
I have had many cases like that. One marriage, second marriage, and the third marriage. The belief system came from where, you know, Asta? And I was doing an inner child healing with one of the clients, you know.
Yeah.
2 divorces, the third one he wants to divorce. And I'm
Okay.
not able to understand. I'm counseling in, and later on after counseling and therapies, I get to understand there was an inner child problem, you know. When he was a child, उसकी मम्मी ने उसके ऊपर वास मार के फेंक दिया था. She was fighting with the husband.
Okay.
तो उसका बिलीफ सिस्टम क्या क्रिएट हुआ उस टाइम पे, नो वुमन इज सेफ फॉर मी। थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो
Yeah.
हर एक वुमन को रिजेक्ट कर देता था सबकॉन्शियसली, until and unless he healed from that trauma. Now he's happily third time married.
Yeah.
So it's very different, each to own. शायद उसने बिलीव किया मुझ में तो I could get there, वरना मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता।
Yeah, it's very surprising to say. Like, if I tell you story about the things, and when I started this journey with Anil Oli, before him, I have met a different psychologist. It didn't work out for me that way. But I realized that there was a lot of things inside me which didn't work out. With numerology also, when I feel when I reach out to you, that was a time where I was feeling that I lost my spirituality, and I need to get back to my spirituality as well. So something that I lost. Then I reached out to you. Then I told you that I want a session with you. But it's about your own self, that you need to understand what at what time do you need. It's not like every day I'm coming to you and asking you things. It's about when the right time comes in my mind and my body said that this is what I really wanted to do with you. And that really helped in a sense where little things, just feeding birds, or feeding the cow, or the feeding the dog. It's a sense of accomplishment, you can say, कि कुछ मैंने किया, कुछ मैंने किसी के लिए किया.
Exactly, and there is no return, तुमको वो डॉग कुछ रिटर्न करने नहीं आ रहा, तो एक सेल्फलेस एक्ट तुमने यूनिवर्स को दिया है। तो ट्रस्ट मी, ऑप्रा विनफ्रे भी बोलती है कि जो भी तुम यूनिवर्स में डाल रहे हो, ट्रस्ट मी, इट विल कम बैक टू यू इन मल्टीपल वेज।
It's
So be
just
very
very
careful what
small
are you
acts.
doing,
Yeah,
and what are the other small acts of kindness. So
yeah.
we are all responsible citizens, and I think ये तो हमें खुद से ही कर देना चाहिए, but then people do it overly. अगर आप देखोगे लोगों को, कबूतर को दाना डाल रहे तो पूरा ही दाना डाल देंगे, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है फिर वो कबूतर क्या कर रहा है। ऐसे भी लोग हैं। तो देयर इज एनीथिंग इन एवरीथिंग इन एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे होता है इंडिया में।
या अगर किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो फिर वो करते ही जाना है, करते ही जाना है.
हाँ,
Yeah. So before ending, I want to ask you, what's the one thing that you want to give out to the audience about if they are into any kind of suffering, or if they don't understand where to reach out, to what to reach out, and how to reach out to you also.
so first now, it's not about reaching out to me. First they have to sit down with themselves, एक बारी के लिए अपने साथ बैठ जाओ and understand and believe in yourself. Believe in the power that you have. And I would say again and again, you have the power to heal.
Yeah.
You're very powerful until and unless you drop down other things. बस वो एक बार छोड़ने की देर है, वो एक बार निकालने की देर है. Just sit with yourself and just feel that power, I would say. और कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, जो भी तुम्हें रोना आ रहा है तो फील कर लो. तुम्हें अगर मतलब दहाड़ मार के रोना है, किसी को मार कुटाई करनी है, तो जाके कुछ भी कर जो, रोल योर सेल्फ, कुछ भी मिट्टी में जाके लेट जाओ, बट फील दैट फीलिंग कि हो क्या रहा है अंदर. खुद को एक टाइम देना चाहिए कि यार ये से ये टाइम पे ना आई विल जस्ट वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ एंड माई मेंटल एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ. वो 5 मिनट का हो या 10 मिनट का हो. लाइक मेरे किड्स के स्कूल में मैंने देखा है आस्था, लाइफ स्किल पीरियड होता है, तो
Yeah.
बलून्स फुलाते हैं और लिखते हैं एंगर और उसको बस्ट करवाते हैं. एंड आई
Yeah.
फील सो गुड कि
Yeah.
आजकल स्कूल्स में भी ये आ गया है. एंड आई ऑलवेज वांटेड माय किड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ मेंटल एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ. सो फील इट. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि वॉक करने से ठीक लगेगा, स्पेंड टाइम विद योर ओन सेल्फ, तो वॉक करो. तुम्हें लगता है कि कोई एक्टिविटी करने से यू विल लेट गो ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ इमोशन, तो वो करो. तुम्हें लगता है यू वांट टू वेंट आउट टू योर फ्रेंड, तो वो करो. तुम्हें लगता है जर्नलिंग करके, लिखने से, जलाने से चीजें ठीक लगेंगी, तो वो करो. बट प्लीज डू समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड देन एक्नॉलेज कि यस मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है. Accepted कि yes I am going through this kind of depression, and then ask for help.
Ask for
Whoever you want to. ऐसे नहीं कि इसको please come to me, I am the best numerology, which I am.
Yeah.
but the thing is कि you see आपकी एनर्जी वाइब्रेशन किससे मैच करी. अभी जैसे कि आपने बोला अनिल सर के लिए, मैं भी यही बोलूंगी, आई वाउच फॉर अनिल थॉमस यार. जब मैं उनके पास होती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि मैं हील कर रही हूँ. नो चाहे मैं आज भी जाऊंगी ना तो वो वैसे ही है. सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ जब मैं ये कर रही थी. तो द
Yeah.
थिंग इज कि आज आई डोंट नो वो एनर्जी आपको किस में दिखती है. शायद किसी को आस्था में दिखेगी, जरूरी नहीं है. वी ऑल हैव डिफरेंट जर्नी और हम सब डिसाइडेड है कि यही लोग हमसे कनेक्टेड होने वाले हैं. तो शायद वो आस्था को लेके फील करेंगे द सेम थिंग, शायद वो निकी को लेके सेम फील करें. वी डोंट नो दैट. लेट्स नॉट जज देम. सो जो भी करना चाहता है प्लीज करो. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. डोंट थ्रो अवे योर पावर्स.
Yeah.
Gather yourself and get your powers back.
I
I
want to
would
say
say.
one thing, like how this podcast started, connections we were talking about. I did talk to so many people about, make a podcast start karna, I want to start a podcast and everything. But only somehow connection made. Payal messaged me and said she wanted to start a podcast. And I was like, I wanted to start a podcast. And that connection made. We met Saurabh also. Saurabh is another host with us. And, three of us sat and we talked and we discussed everything, and then podcast happened. And and I suddenly, when I met you and I was talking to you, I was like, will you come in my podcast? And you told me that you manifested this podcast thing happening, and all
Yeah, I was
like,
thinking कि मैं, I was thinking मैं किसी को बोलती हूँ कि यार I want to do a podcast, मेरे को भी करना है, because I see people talking useless in podcast also, and I'm like कि क्या बोल रहा है. मैं बोला I'll do a better job, I think. मैं जाती हूँ.
yeah.
That's the confidence I hold for my own self. So
Yeah.
it's not overconfidence. There's a very thin line in confidence and overconfidence. So I am very confident of what I'm saying. Yeah.
So in the end, I just want to say, Nikki said, take out time for your own self, understand what is the problem is, and if you want help, ask for that help. That's
Yeah.
the thing. And you can contact us. We'll give you different links of our pages, Nikki's page, my page, and Payal's and What's Your Problems page.
Thank you everyone for watching our episode today. You'll find us on YouTube and Spotify. We will be sharing the links below. And stay tuned for more content. Thank you.